G'day, I'm Paul. This is a Ferrari 296 GTB road car. I can't believe I'm saying this, but that is a Ferrari 296 GT3 race car. And don't fret, we have a race car driver here that I'm about to introduce you to, who is driving that car and has won a lot of races in it as well. Importantly as well, while these look the same on the outside, the road car actually has electric assistance with an electric motor effectively and a turbocharged V6 petrol engine. The race car, on the other hand, has no electric assistance. It is just a twin turbocharged V6 petrol engine. So it's going to be close, but I reckon this with the electric assistance is probably going to sneak ahead. As a reminder, this is a regional airport runway, so the surface here isn't very good, so it's going to be hard for this car to get traction, let alone the race car, which is on wets because it was raining earlier. But let's get straight into it.
Launching on go. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, we're both struggling for traction. Oh my God, this is fast. Oh my God, this is so fast. Holy crap, this is fast. I haven't driven one of these before. This is literally my first time. Elliot, this thing is on another planet in terms of speed. Like, I was just saying before, I haven't driven a 296 before up until this literal very moment, and I thought going to V6 they kind of muffed it, but this thing is phenomenally quick. And I know that you're in a race car with little traction off the line, but I was not expecting it to be this fast. Let's go back. We'll do one more run, just because your tyres will be warm now, and then I reckon we do a rolling race where I think things will change a little in your favour.
Launching on go.
Go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, both got a good start there. Oh my God, this thing is quick. I missed that gear shift. Yeah, I missed a gear shift there, but I think the results still would have been the same. He's struggling with traction off the line.
A little bit closer.
That was good. I had a slight moment there where this was twitchy, and I'm like, well, the last thing I want to do is bin this into your car. Now, Elliot, we've removed elbows from the equation because it is fairly hopeless at driving normal cars, let alone race cars. How did you get into racing? Because you've been driving this for a while now, but you race on computers as well?
Yeah, it's an unconventional start. So for me, it was all sim racing. Started in Gran Turismo, literally in a IKEA Swedish chair in my bedroom.
That is so cool.
And then moved into more sim racing, and then eventually into radicals. Got some sponsorship support, which I'm extremely grateful for. And then all of a sudden, I'm driving this thing.
I mean, that is incredible. And for anyone watching, like, sim racing is where a lot of people start. Then go-karting. I'm pretty exceptional at go-karting, so I think I do have a chance here in GT3 and then F1 eventually. Probably not though. What's it like to drive a race car? Because you're sitting in there, you're like fully strapped in. You can't really see much around you. How does it work on a track when you've got all these cars dive bombing you and just trying to get around you all the time?
Yeah, I think you can't see much, but you can see kind of what you need. And I think you just develop a sense of where everyone else is around you. But yeah, compared to the road car, very little vision. And also it seems not as much power.
Yes, and very little traction as well. Like, you launching there is hard work. Like, you eventually nail it, but you need heat in the tyres. We're on wets today because it was raining before. The road car has hybrid assistance, which you don't have here. That is like a missile, and to think that you can buy that today and just do the speeds that people do is ridiculous. So what we're going to do now, we're going to set up for the rolling race where I think you're going to have a much better chance, because we'll go to that line and we'll both punch it, and then we'll see what happens at the end. So helmet up, I'm going to jump in my car and just put the heated seats on, and then we're going to go for a rolling race. Now, we actually sponsor this car, which is good that it's winning in the real series, but I wonder if I should just let it win to make sure that we stay on top. Okay, so now we're going to do a roll race. So the way this works is about 30 kilometers an hour to the first white line, then we're both going to mash it. I'm going to let Elliot lead the charge though, because he can't really see me, and we're just going to figure it out as we go, and then it'll be all the way over to the quarter mile line. It's going to be close, because that thing, once it has traction and it's moving, I think it's going to be a very different story to a standing start. So let's see what happens. All right, Elliot, you lead the charge. Oh, come on, baby! Yes! Let's go! That was so close. Oh man, I cannot believe how fast this thing is. How did you go with traction moving off the line there?
Yeah, it still spun up a little bit in first, but nowhere near as much as the standing start.
Do you want to have one more shot?
Yeah, I could probably get a bit more.
All right, let's do it. Do one more shot. Alrighty, let's do this. Lead the way. Yes! Oh yes, baby! Oh man! Oh mate, that was absolutely unreal. This 296 is so fast. It is ridiculous, absolutely ridiculous. All the weight reduction you have over there just can't really sort of make enough of a difference. It is just crazy. Now, this is the part where I'm going to be quiet and you can hear these cars going down the quarter mile and see the times they set on our airport runway. Well, there you go. That was fun. It's not every day you have a race car literally right next to you. That is so cool. Big shout out to Lawrence, our mate, for just helping us with this, the Arise Racing team as well. Like, it has been an absolute day to remember. It is so cool. Thank you also to the town of Wildcatcham for having us here. This is a ripper joint. If you want a good palmy and a beer, come and visit this place. Come and visit the airport. Take a photo out the front there. If you do want to check out the other videos in this drag racing series, just head to our YouTube channel. You're already there at the moment watching this probably, but we do have a whole series of them where we race everything. And let us know in the comment section below what else you want us to drag race next time too, because we've got a stack up our sleeve. But until next time, take it easy.